free. Click the notification bell to make sure that you are aware of all of this lit ass content that I'm bringing to you. All of it. Oh, and I still am the hardest working man in fucking show business. Oh wait, it ain't focused. I'm gonna have to get it when I come back to YouTube. That's my mountains. Alright, YouTube. What it do? I had no what cracking. I'm Jay, and it's the Nissan family. So, y'all know May 29th, we supposed to go up. It is raining. I'm trying to make this quick as possible. Made the payment. May 29th, we were supposed to go up, and it did not happen. We're just gonna leave it alone. September the 4th is actually real. So if you want to come out here, you can reserve you one of these. I'm gonna give up. I say I give up the first. I give up 5. I give you 5 tables. So y'all can see, you can set your stuff up right here. And you know, if people walking by or if people is coming into here, you know, this right here protects me from the rain, so that makes me feel better. We got electrical outlets. The lights actually work, so plug up your phones, your speakers, your LED signs. Hell, anything you pretty much wanna look. Got one right there. You know, anything you pretty much wanna hook up. I'm charging $10. $10 to reserve you a table. If you're a business, you're an entrepreneur, and you're trying to get your business off the ground, you just need a little exposure, DM me, private message me. Now, this here, boom, y'all can see, I'm gonna have a spot for all Nissans, and I'm gonna have a spot for all Toyotas, and I'm gonna have a everybody spot, so that's like for everybody. Let's see. I don't know. Y'all just gonna have to come tap in. Y'all gonna have to come tap in. But I needed to do this real quick before I forgot, or before I, you know, didn't remember, or you know, just waited or whatever. So I'm gonna reserve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me do this again. So for the slow for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all get them 5. I take these 3 right here for me. I'm gonna have shoes probably right here, so everybody could see the shoes that I sell. I probably set this one right here up for like my brochures and stuff about my business, all of my businesses, so people could, you know, have them a flyer and stuff to remember us by. But yeah, if you are an entrepreneur, tap the fuck in. 2021, all blessings, no stressing. I'm trying to get this food. So if you're a vendor with some food, tap in. Do not wait till Wednesday. Do not wait till Friday morning. Today, tomorrow. The best thing to do. Today, tomorrow. That way I can get you on the flyer, and I can go ahead and shout your business out, and we get it popping. $10 raffle to get your car tinted. And we're doing the first 25 cars. Get first, second, third place prizes. And then we still announcing the winner live for the $150 in merch for the $2 raffle. Tap in, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Stop the cap. Start the support. I would have preferred that one, but they can have.